If you're looking for information on the Boardmix Lifetime Deal and Boardmix Review, you've come to the right place. The Boardmix Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Boardmix Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Boardmix Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. If you've ever tried to read an instruction manual, you know that words aren't always enough. You could streamline communication with your team if you found a visual tool that didn't take much time to set up. Good thing there's an AI-powered collaborative whiteboard that lets you quickly draw anything so you can share your ideas with your team. Use this AI-powered whiteboard for faster collaboration and better team productivity. Read mind maps, diagrams, presentations, sticky notes, and more in seconds with generative AI. Collaborate on the same whiteboard with over 500 simultaneous users, with support for mentions and comments on any element. Boardmix is an AI-powered collaborative whiteboard that helps teams express their ideas visually for better communication and productivity. Supercharge your whiteboard sessions with integrated AI that can help with any type of task. Boardmix lets you visualize your ideas with AI prompts to generate images, mind maps, flowcharts, and entire presentations in just seconds. And because you can create a business model canvas, SWOT analysis, or user journey maps for your industry or competitors, you'll be able to make business decisions faster. Boardmix lets you collaborate simultaneously with up to 500 people, making it easy for your team to pitch ideas during brainstorming sessions. Users can mention teammates, leave comments, and add emojis to communicate with each other and move projects along. The platform also supports real-time viewing for over 1,000 individuals, so you can share your ideas with a growing remote audience. Boardmix supports tons of visual formats including mind maps, flowcharts, sticky notes, and drawings that capture your ideas. You'll be able to organize your work with support for Kanban boards to help keep everyone in the loop about task statuses. Plus, this tool is packed with a library of plugins, resources, and templates you can use to match any potential use case. Best of all, Boardmix can be used as a digital asset management platform because it supports so many file types. You can upload text, photos, videos, and documents onto a board, giving you a centralized location for all your branding and project files. It's a breeze to embed your whiteboard onto a website or third-party app to share these files with people outside of your organization. Just because you can't doodle well doesn't mean you can't communicate effectively with your team. With Boardmix, you get a collaborative whiteboard that makes it easy to share your ideas and boost your team's creativity. Get your team on the same page. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Boardmix today. One-time purchase of $29 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.